too bad. I mean, it looked like something that could have came off of a regular spray gun.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, we have a Kia. Paint code is SPB. Pretty little blue color, pretty color. This is a job from the car salesman auction guide, just a quickie. Came in on Friday, half a day, and it's going out at the end of the day. Today we're gonna be doing this job with this small micro pancake compressor, 6 gallon, 150 PSI, 2.6 CFM. This is a tiny one. This is an old compressor I had laying around. See paint all over it. The damn glass, you see the glass is broken off of the damn gauge. So it ain't nothing fancy. Gonna be doing that. A couple guys have asked me about small compressors. How many panels can you do with a small compressor? So I done got the smallest of the smallest small compressors that I have in my possession to demonstrate for you guys. And then also what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna demonstrate it with my Iwata LPH 80. I've had this gun 14, 15 years. I used to do small mobile work at a car lot on the side, and this was the gun I used. I had a lot bigger compressor than that, but this should work, hopefully. Back in the days, this was the gun. This was the real LVLP spray gun, along with the LPH 400. But this here, 2.2 CFM, man, you can run all day with this little sucker here. And to show you, our body man here, he also used to be a mobile, that's all he used to do was mobile work. Let me set this up for you. So yeah, our body man, the body man here now, he used to do mobile work. That's all he did when he first got here. He had a van, he was a mobile painter. And again, this is my gun. Again, 15 years old, Iwata LPH. These are his guns. This is what he had just hanging up in his tool room there. I don't know if you can see the dust on these suckers. I mean, same gun, LPH 80, LPH 80. One was base, one was clear. These are both 1.0. That's what he used, 1.0. I used a 1.2. So this is a 1.2 nozzle needle cap. And again, some of our main guns that we spray with today, the normal size, full size gun are still a 1.2. So you get a whole lot out of this little gun, man. A lot of bang for a little thing, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it to work on this here and we'll see what happens. You know, I don't know what's gonna happen with that little thing. It might run, might blow up, might spit, who knows? But we're about to find out. I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it.
Like I said, you get a whole lot of bang with a little thing. But yeah, see the fan there? Decent sized fan for a minigun, man. That's why I always went with the 1.2. Most of the jobs I did, 1.2, no problem. You know, a lot of you guys today use a 1.2 with your regular gun. So, you know, and the gun is not slow for its size. Of course, it can't keep up with a regular spray gun, but it does it. It does a damn good job, man. It does a damn good job at 2.2 CFM. I mean, that little compressor over there, you know, you hear the thing going, but it's not going crazy. I mean, you can pull this trigger fully. You can fully pull the trigger, hold it in, and that compressor will run the entire time and run the spray gun without missing a beat. The pressure won't drop. So, and of course, most of you guys are gonna use a bigger compressor, even if you are, you know, spraying some little side jobs or little spot ends or whatever you're doing. You know, this is just the smallest of the smallest, just to give you an idea of what this gun is capable of. And right now, just going with some 1000. Even though it's the car auction guy, you know, still been wanting to come out pretty clean for him. He has been a fairly decent tipper lately, so I try to go ahead and take care of him.
Trigger man. Man, now god damn, that's it, Trigger. You know I was gonna get on you on this one, man. Come on, Trigger. I usually don't bother you on little short videos, man, but god damn, man, this guy You got the little compressor that's used for a nail gun, man. Come on, brother. One day. Oh, man. Man, that thing look nice, though, man. But God, Trick. God damn, man, that thing look nice, Trick. Come on, Trigger. And the little thing, man, it's not even a compressor, like, for real. That's for pumping up your bicycle tire, man. You might as well damn blow your damn mouth through the hose, Trigger. Unsubscribe.
Yeah, you hear the little sucker back there, sound like a little chihuahua. But yeah, man, that show you. Look at that little thing, man. I mean, if I had not shown you that compressor and you just cut on the video and you see me right now as I am, you would think I'm just in there spraying with a regular gun, regular stuff, you know what I mean? So, like, this is the real deal, man. You know, all them little play, you know, small mini guns, like, nah, this is the real deal when it comes to small compressors, low CFM. You find me one lower than this here. I know some people out there love to prove you wrong, and I'm okay with that, but as far as I know, like, this is the lowest. And if there is one lower, it probably won't perform nowhere near this. I mean, this is the Iwata, you know, made from that LPH series. They have the LPH 80, the LPH 300, and the LPH 400. Like, this was a mean series, man, they came out with these guns. And they're still great to today. You know, even though they're older guns, you know, they're not the newest WS 400 and those things there, Series 1, Series 2, but these guns are still, they're bad to the bone, man. That's why the prices on them are still high. You know, LPH is still $500, you know, for a reason. And it's a true LVLP spray gun. You know, it's not one of those where it still runs your compressor down or the booklet says it. This is the real deal. You know, it's from Iwata, so there's no play Mickey Mouse tools here. And that's what we're looking like. 2 coats with the Iwata Mini LPH 80 and the baby pancake compressor out of the 1.2 LPH 80 Iwata. Killed it. All right. That's what we're looking like outside. Had to pull them out, get them real quick. Not too bad. I mean, it looked like something that could have came off of a regular spray gun. I got a little dry up under the bottom there, but other than that, man, 2 CFM, Iwata. Not bad at all. So hey, if you're in the market, there you go. $99 little compressor. The spray gun might set you back $200, but for a $300 package deal, compressor and gun, start doing your little touch-up, spot-in work. Hey man, good deal. Anyway, boy Trigger out. Catch you in the next one. So that's a wrap on this one. And again, keep in mind, this is just something small. If you have little small projects, motorcycle parts, gas tanks, you know, helmets, 1 panel, 2 panels, and small panels. I mean, you can't get away with a hood. You know, you'd have to use the right materials, know your materials, something with maybe a slower activator so you can chase that wet edge and lay down a hood. That's definitely something that is doable. Knowing your materials, like I preach from day one on here, know your materials. You know, you can manipulate and go around, even though it's a small compressor, small gun, you can manipulate your materials to get the finish that you need. You can definitely do it. But anyway, boy Trigger signing off. I ask that you would please like, share, subscribe. Please share this with a friend. And after doing so, please tell his girlfriend. Peace.